Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, back again another video. Today, we're going to take a look at a humidifier from a company called Greenmaker. Alright? Yep, I did say humidifier. Alright, before we get started, let's get a couple things out of the way. One, I'm not an expert. Two, I'm just a guy that loves tech and gadgets. And three, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. Alright? Alright. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button for me. It really helps the channel. Alright, let's get back to this humidifier. Alright? This is a humidifier from a company called Greenmaker. Alright? Humidifiers come in handy, especially in the wintertime, time of the year, because you get that dry skin and the air is so dry and it causes you to have that dry, itchy skin, and then, breathing problems. Humidifiers can help with, with that kind of problem, like dry skin and, you sitting dealing with dry air in the house. They really help out. Sometimes you have colds, people run humidifiers to kind of help, with the breathing. So these things do come in handy. This one right here is a little small, made just for room size, and I think it's unique because of the way it's built. It's small, won't, it's budget friendly, won't break the bank. So I think it's a pretty cool little humidifier. Don't take up a lot of space. That's one good thing I love. That when you have stuff that don't take up a lot of space. Yo, Skippy, take us to the unboxing table. Okay, we're here at the unboxing table. And let's go ahead and take another look at this, the box, the Greenmaker humidifier. Got some little pictures up here, all right, showing a little diagram of the humidifier itself. Nothing on the sides. Okay, here's some information right here. You want to pause this and read it for yourself. All right. Because I got the product name, Greenmaker humidifier, voltage 24 volt DC, product model TG001, rated power 18 watts, water tank capacity 2.8 liters, humidification capacity and maximum humidification capacity 300 milligram. All right, that's a tongue twister there. Working hours 7 to 18 hours. Packing size 290 and 172, 157 millimeters. Let's see here. Gross weight 600 grams. Executive standard, and so on and so on. We got different. I guess these are different model numbers. All right. So I think that's it. Nothing else around here on here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. See what we got. We got Goldfinger on deck today. Alright, let's get this side. Alright, put Goldfinger to the side. Okay, looks like we're met with an instruction booklet. Put this aside right now, and bam, humidifier. Simple. Alright, let's toss this box aside, get this box out of the way. Alright. Let's take a look at the instruction booklet. Here's the instruction booklet right here. See, open it up. Okay. There's some directions right here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Let's see. Let me get that in there so you can see it. See what's on the back. Got different languages on the back, alright? So you can pause these and read it for yourself. Let's go ahead and put the directions to the side. Let's open this bad boy up. That's cool that they got it wrapped real good in this bubble wrap. Make sure it didn't get damaged in shipping. Let's get it on out of here. See? Alright. Toss that bubble wrap to the side. Okay, this looks like the brains of the operation. Let's put it to the side real quick. See what else we got in here. Take some of this plastic off. Oh, this is like shrink wrap. This is like saran wrap. That's what it feels like. This feels like saran wrap. They wrap it real good. That's cool there. Toss that to the side. What else we got in here? This must be the charging cord. See here, get it out. One thing I can say, boy, they get a good job of packing this bad boy. Alright, got your little charging cord right here. Let's see here. Alright, so you got to keep up with this cord. It's not a USB cord like some of them other devices. This is a proprietary cord. It goes just for this device. Let's put this to the side. Toss that bubble right aside and see what else we got in here. This must be like the nozzle, the top of it. Gotta get in beast mode and just tear stuff open. Alright, so you got a little topper right here. Charger, the tank itself, and the brains of the operation. Alright, got some little warning sticker on here. What it says, this is the fan port, please do not add water. Alright, so it's telling you it don't want you to put water on this side. That ain't how you add the water. You want to add the water, it's easy. Just take this bad boy off, go fill up with water, and that's it. So you take just basic little plastic, you know, tell you where it's made and all that good stuff. It's small and tiny. Let's go ahead and put this on top. Fits on top like so. Alright, take the top back off again. Alright, little information on here. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, just simple. I guess it's showing you right here. It looks like it's saying like a locking mechanism or something like that. Okay, yeah, if you want to take this off, and okay, I guess that would be take it off and clean it. So we're gonna put that back together. All right, put this on top. Then here's the nozzle to put on this side. It fits on there. It got little grooves on the bottom. Fits on there like so. Alright, now you got to make sure you get it on there real good, twist it. Then you got your power buttons on here. Let me go ahead and test out this power button on here real quick. Go ahead and plug it up real quick. Okay. Power on there. You see the 3 lights light up right here. Cut this light off up here. Alright, hit that power button and you see the two lights come on. It's telling you got power. Click it again, turn it off. I guess it's letting you know when it's red, it doesn't have any water in it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is take this bad boy back over to the desk and see how it works. Yo, Skippy, take us back to the desk. Okay. Now we're back at the desk. We got everything out of the box. It was simple to put together. You know, not too many pieces, and that's one of the great things about it too. It's just simple, easy. You know, not complicated at all. So I got it charged up. I mean, I got not charged up. I got the charge cord. Man, where's my mind? I got the charge cord right here. Got it all set up, and I wanted to read a couple more things off here that I checked out in the instructions. It says it has a water change reminder, so that's a cool feature right there. It reminds you to change the water. Let me read and tell you what it says. It says, use the humidifier. Water shortage state red light will always be on, which will remind users to add water to the humidifier in standby mode. And 72 hours later, the humidifier will flash green with green lights and red lights, which reminds the user to change the water. So basically, it's saying it reminds you to change the water. So that's a cool feature. We have, you know, indicators on there that let you know, say, hey, it's time to change that water. You had that water in there too long. You might want to change it and clean it up. That's a cool feature right there. It says cleaning for like maintenance. It advises you to go ahead and clean this bad boy at least once a week. And I think that should be automatic anyway, because when you deal with water and stuff like that, you want to keep stuff clean and everything. So yeah, like I said, it has a reminder about the water, to change the water. Also, it has an automatic shut off, so when the water is pretty much gone, it has an automatic shut off, so you ain't got to worry about, you know, hey, did I forget to unplug it or shut it off? Is it going to keep running? No, it automatically shuts itself off when the water's gone. So that's another cool feature. So, you know, if it's something like this that's budget friendly, I think this is a pretty cool. Like I said, in the wintertime, this is great for, you know, dealing with dry skin and all that good stuff. You helps with the discomfort when you're dealing with colds and stuff like that. And it's good for being in baby's room too. So yeah, I think this is awesome. So enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get this thing working. So I got the power cord here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up, and got some water right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the water in here. All right. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this water in here. I think I find it easier to. My preference is to take it off and then fill it with water. So I'm gonna do it that way. I mean, you can also do it that way as well. But you know, I think this would be the easiest way. Now I'll show you how you pour it in there with the taking the nozzle off. Pour it almost. Yeah, leave just a little bit more in it so I can kind of demonstrate how you pour it in from the top. I mean, that's to me that's easier and more simpler way. So, but let me take this nozzle off. Only thing about this nozzle is kind of hard to come off. Oh, not that hard. All right, so I'm gonna leave the spout on, pour it in like so. I mean, that's simple too. With me, that's just my preference. You know, once you get it, you can, you know, put the water in there the way you want to do it. I think it's more simpler to take it off and run it under the faucet, then put a cap on it and put it back together. Easy. I mean, this is just too simple. Too simple. Let's see here. Let's move that bottle out of the way. All right, put this nozzle back on. It has little arrows on here. I don't know if you can see the little arrows letting you know how to line it up right here. So line up. Once you line it up with the arrows, turn it to kind of lock it in. Bam. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy up. Like I said, it has 3 different modes on here. So, you know, I mean, what can you ask for a nice, decent price? I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below so where you can get more information on it if you want to find out any more information on it, or you want to pick up one for yourself. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below. All right, let me go ahead and push the power button. Bam! Look at that. We got ignition. Boy, we got liftoff. Come now, let's hit the button again. Well, I didn't hit it, so I didn't push it hard enough. But yes, I did. Okay, this is the first mode. That's off. So that wasn't the first mode. Let's push it again. All right, you see the 2 LEDs right here? I don't know if you can see those. And push it again. That looks like it's coming out stronger when I push it the second time. And I want to say this third mode might be the sleep timer. You know, I'm gonna have to look into it a little bit more. But it has 3 different modes on there. So I mean, this is cool. This is cool, and it's quiet. I can't hear anything. Nice and quiet. And man, and it's small. Let me see. Let me turn this around. You see this right here? Let me change the camera angle so you can see it from the side with it on. All right, this is a little bit better angle. Let me lift it up so you can see it. I know I have a glare from my ring light on there. I hope you can see it. Get a little closer. I mean, man, a small footprint. I mean, what can you ask for? Let me measure this real quick. I happen to have a tape measure right here. Let me go ahead and measure this bad boy. Let me measure this side. We're looking at probably about maybe a little over 10 inches. Let me turn this around so you can see it. Yeah, it looks like it might be just at about almost 11, about 10 and a half, 11. All right, see how tall it is. You see back here from the tip of the tank, the nozzle, we're looking at probably about 8. Let's see, so you can see right here. I can't see backwards, but you know, you can see right there. And the width on here, you know, let's see here. We're looking at maybe about 3 or 4. Let me put a cell phone up to a side of it. Now, this is a Note 20 Ultra, and this is compared to Humidifier, so you can kind of get kind of an idea of how small this bad boy is. It's nice and compact. It won't take up too much space in your home. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So like I said, I'm liking it. It has a few different modes on it. Small footprint, easy to change the water, and it has a water change reminder, so it lets you know that just time to change the water, so you won't have any get any gunk or anything on there. So it kind of remind you. It's kind of reminding you to take care of your device, something we should do anyway. So I think this is pretty cool. So if you want more information on this humidifier from Greenmaker, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below so you can get more information. Because if it's something I forgot, I didn't mention in here, you click on that link, get more detailed information for it, and hey, maybe get one for yourself. Like I say, it's cool for babies' rooms, or in the wintertime you're dealing with a cold, dry weather. So this helps put some moisture in the air. All right. So if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to notify new videos. Tell a friend. All right, hit that subscribe button because it really helps the channel. And it's free, don't cost anything. All right, and I appreciate you guys taking out the time to check out this video on the Greenmaker humidifier. All right, it won't break the bank, budget friendly. All right, and like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see. The message for the day is, sometimes you got to be uncomfortable to be comfortable. You're probably saying, Mark, what do you mean? It sounds crazy. Sometimes you have to be uncomfortable to be comfortable. Like, for instance, if you want to be a doctor, you got to go through all that hard and strenuous training in order to be able to make the big bucks to be a full-fledged doctor. Like you're going in the military, you got to go through basic training in order to become a full-fledged soldier. To be in the military, you got to go through a lot of rough stuff. You got to be very uncomfortable situations. You have to go through a lot of uncomfortable situations in order to be comfortable. So like if you just started out in life and you're trying to get yourself together, hey, you're gonna have to go through a whole bunch of uncomfortable times and be uncomfortable and sacrifice a lot before you're going to be able to be comfortable. So all the uncomfortable times you have to deal with will pay off in the long run, because you'll be able to sit back and breathe, So that's the message for today. Yeah, sometimes you got to be uncomfortable to be comfortable. All right. This has been your boy Mark for Little Screws and Views. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.